As a business leader, to successfully use AI within your business, then you need to view your business as a data machine. All your operations, all your tasks, all your processes, all your workflows operate on data, which means data flows within your business, right from when a customer first comes into the business and when you deliver value to that customer. Now, AI also operates on data. So the better you understand how your business processes operate with data, then the clearer it is for you to see where the inefficiencies are and for you to be able to link them to AI opportunities that you can drive with AI initiatives. This is where the CIRCTS Framework comes in. It stands for capture, interpret, refine, create, tuck away, and send. This simply means that any process or any workflow in your business does one of these 6 operations. So let's examine the CIRCTS Framework a bit closer with an example. Suppose you have a business that makes prints and it takes in email orders. Their process would be for an email order to come in and they look at the order and then they push it out for print. That's a workflow. How do you view this under the CIRCTS Framework? So first of all, when the email comes in, it has to be captured and then it has to be interpreted as an order and not a customer complaint. That order that's coming through email has to be refined. Someone is going to look at the order and check to be sure that it meets all the requirements for the order. And if it doesn't, it could either ask the customer or they could check your existing records, right? That's the refine part. Now, once the order has been validated, then you create that order within your system. So you may have an internal order fulfillment process. An internal order fulfillment system where that order is now taken and created in that system. Once that is done, it also means that that order has been tucked away. Finally, when the order has been processed and the print has been made, an email can be sent to the customer telling them that their order has been completed and is ready for pickup or it is being mailed. If you're dealing with sales calls, similar situation whereby the call comes in, it has to be captured, it has to be recorded. After a call, notes have to be taken. You have to refine what that discussion was and outline some kind of outcomes and next steps. You have to store that in some kind of system, and that's where you tuck it away. And there are several times where you need to create additional records based on your interactions with that customer. And that data could be sent from one system to another. The whole idea is when you view your business as a data machine, you start to see the situations where inefficiencies occur. Does a process or a workflow have problem with capturing of data? Is that where things get slow? Or are things slow when you have to refine the data because you have data existing in different systems within your business? You have a siloed data environment. Or do you have issues with storing or tucking away that data? So once you use this framework, you have a clear picture of your workflows and how data flows within them. But most importantly, for the context of AI, you start to see where the bottlenecks are, where the inefficiencies are. And this leads us to our next lesson, which is how to identify AI opportunities within your business.